It is challenging to collect alertness and performance data in operational environments. Our protocol provides a suite of tools for collection of fatigue countermeasures data in the real world.
Our protocol allows for the evaluation of sleep performance in the circadian phase in complex operational environments.
These techniques can be used to assess the prevalence of sleep deficiency and circadian misalignment in multiple operational cohorts.
These techniques could also better inform longitudinal studies of long-term health consequences of chronic sleep loss and circadian misalignment.
As the participants are not supervised by research staff, it is critical to fully describe the data collection procedures and to check in frequently with participants.
Before beginning the data collection procedure, select an activity monitor that has been validated against polysomnography in a laboratory environment. Instruct each participant to wear the activity monitor snugly and securely fastened on the wrist of the non-dominant hand during the entire experimental period. Activity monitor removals for activities such as swimming or showering should be noted in the daily sleep diary in order to distinguish activity monitor removals from inactivity during naps. If the activity monitor includes an event marker feature, ask the participant to tap the marker whenever the activity monitor is removed.
In order to help us with the
Instruct the participant to press the event marker when going to bed and waking up for every sleep episode to enhance the information obtained in the sleep diary and to assist in the analysis.